Hey everyone, if you want to use multiple cameras with DroidCam for streaming, recording, or video production, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll explain what's possible and how to set up multiple camera sources. So let's get started. First, it's important to know that the standard DroidCam app is designed to connect one phone as one webcam source at a time. If you want to use multiple camera angles, you'll typically need additional devices or multiple webcam sources, along with software like OBS Studio. Next, connect your primary phone to your computer using DroidCam through either Wi-Fi or USB. Make sure the camera preview appears correctly before adding any other camera sources. Now, if you have another webcam or an additional phone running a separate camera application, you can add both cameras to OBS Studio by creating separate video capture device sources. Yeah, this lets you switch between different camera angles during recording or live streaming. You can resize, reposition, and switch between each camera inside OBS Studio to create a more professional-looking video. You know, this setup works great for tutorials, interviews, product demonstrations, and live broadcasts. If one of the cameras doesn't appear, check that each device is connected properly and that no two applications are trying to use the same camera at the same time. And that's it. You've learned how to use DroidCam alongside multiple camera sources for a more flexible recording setup. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next